These gems must be important because these purple monsters are blocking me from collecting them.
Intel says they're called smuds. Weird.
Gotcha. Oh no! Alert! Ship took a hit! Try beating that. Yes, you can. It could be just a coincidence. It's taking me into a secret entrance.
We'd never have found it on our...
Saving Isabella. Hey, Smuds! Come at me, bro!
The praise is hurting my ears. I have to make it stop.
Designed these robots knew what they were doing. I'm afraid my chances are suboptimal.
You almost got him. But dude, they're nasty.